Hello, crafty friends. Amanda here with Crafting with Amanda, and this is day 19 of 30 Days of Sketches, Christy's Beautiful Life. This is our sketch for today, and as you can see, it's by Daisy Scraps, so be sure to go and check out all of her other work. I found this photo of my mom on a bike, and I thought it was the bike that I still have. We still have one of her Schwinn bikes, but it can't be because she's too little in this photo. But I pulled out a bunch of stuff that I thought would work with the bike, and if you've been watching, I'm doing this heritage album for my mom, and I'm trying to use the thread of the old Miracle Papers by Close to My Heart. Oh, I will say that I am a Close to My Heart maker, so most of the supplies that I use are by them or tools that they've had. And the sketch has kind of some, looks like mixed media in the background, and it has a grid paper, and it kind of goes with the triangle in the corner. So I thought that I would rip this blue paper down, but I just wanted something different. I wasn't feeling the greens or the grays or the browns that I've been using throughout the rest of the photo or the rest of the album pages. I only have this one photo, and with these Picture My Life cards, I just thought, I can get away with using this kind of soft, it's not really a peach, it's not really a pink, it's not really a red, but just this soft color, and with the one bike photo that's in black and white, and just have fun with it. And for those of you that haven't been following along, we are moving across the country, so I've had to pack up my studio and actually take down the cubbies and the wall units so that this room can be displayed as a bedroom for the open houses. So I am working out of bins, and currently where I'm at in that process is I just threw everything in bins. So I'm hoping by the end of this weekend I will have the walls painted, touched up in here, and the bed put in place, and I will have my desk set up. And I am going to be working out of totes, but at least I'll have desk drawers that I can put my tools and supplies in, and I'll know where they are, and I won't be digging through things. So trying to follow the sketch and honor it, they had the photo that was landscape oriented, and I need portrait oriented for this photo of my mom. So I thought that I would just turn the whole page, and that's what I'm trying out here. I like to audition where some components go and see how they look. I'm not feeling it with that much, I guess, open or white space in the bottom. It's funny, it's okay in the upper right corner. I didn't like it in the lower right corner. So now I'm just going to audition some more of these pieces that I found. I'm getting better at layering. So I was really excited when I took this Picture My Life card and just layered it in the back. And I, too much fun with the bicycle. My mom had polio, and so her nickname was Skip because she kind of skipped when she walked, but she also really enjoyed riding a bike because then she could kind of keep up with the other kids. So I cut that bicycle out of a Picture My Life card, and through video editing, didn't make you watch all of that. And then I'm not sure what direction I want to go in, so I decided to go ahead and take the flower stencil. These are border stencils from Close to My Heart, and I'm using the flower one in there. And I'm trying to line it up so that it looks like it has a corner. And I'm just using my fingers to hold the stencil down, so I think you'll see here that it ends up, maybe it's not on this side, it's on the other side. It ends up flipping the page, and so I have to just stop and realign. But it was really easy to do. Here's where I just realigned it. And I'm just inking through the papaya ink, and it works. I think it's working really well. It works with those Picture My Life cards. So now I'm trying to bring in a little bit of that mixed media feel, and I do know that I saved my paints out and some of my texture paste for doing some mixed media, but they're kind of buried in a box in the corner, and I wanted to get this layout out for you for today. So now I am playing with these components. I'm not feeling the gray bike anymore. So as you can see, I've kind of bandaged it to the bottom corner. I'm realizing I want to use those Perfectly Imperfect pattern stamp set. That's what I'm using to put the charcoal ink kind of to give that mixed media feel. And last night after I had done the video for today, I just spent some time doing some die cutting and cut out some more leaves and the scalloped lace edging and also some more of the flowers which is what I'm doing kind of as my theme or my thread to keep all of the pages in this heritage album unified but not matchy-matchy. And I just wanted some more colors on this, and like I said, I don't have all my inks, so I used these flowers that were left over from one of the pages that I did earlier when my mom was at Rainbow Camp, and I think that they work. I'm really excited. I found these Daisy Meadow, I can't even think of what they're called, dots, Daisy Meadow dots, and so I'm just kind of sprinkling them around the flower clusters, and I had thought about doing some thread underneath some of these flower clusters as well, but instead I found this gray thick twine, and I thought that it would work. It's bulky, and so I'm trying to wad it up, and I didn't like how that looked, so now I'm making like 2 really loose loops, and I'm just shoving it under, and it works since that leaf and the flower pulled up so nicely from my page. I'm just attaching it down there. I decided I didn't need one in the upper corner, and it will just be done. So here's a close-up for you of the layout, and you can see my mom on her bike. I'm gonna guess she's 8 or 9 years old in this photo. So the bike that we have that was hers is a little bit bigger. Here's how you can connect with me. I do have a Facebook group. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to join me. Here's another video you might be interested in, and be sure to check out all the other people doing Christy's 30 days of sketches in the description. Blessings.